If you are in manufacturing and wondering why your P&L report shows profit but your bank account says otherwise, keep watching because the truth about profit in manufacturing is not what you think. But how about we start with the myth? If we are making profit on paper, we must be doing fine. Wow, honestly, that really amazes me. What a belief. Who started this lie and made everybody believe it? In manufacturing, accounting profit and cash reality can live in two completely different worlds. You can be profitable on paper while actually heading towards a liquidation position, and you don't even realize it until it's too late. I see this all the time. High turnover, decent gross margin, yet no money to reinvest, no breathing room. And the biggest question everyone's asking is, where is the cash going? And you're thinking, we just reported a healthy profit, so how come we are facing a cash flow crisis? Why there is nothing to take home? And why can't we scale up? It just doesn't make sense. But except it actually does, once you understand what's really going on there. Here it is what's really happening behind the profit. If inventory isn't managed properly and you are overstocking, it will inflate your profit on paper but drain your cash flow. Inventory is a short-term capital investment and it must be flexed and managed with the right expertise. If you are using average costing instead of real costing, you are parking the cost in the stock valuation. And there's no profit, it's just a delayed reality. Please don't get me started on work in progress. Work in progress sitting in limbo, delays in production, rejects, rework, waste, they all cost, but it just hasn't hit your P&L yet. So it's just hiding the truth. So if your work in progress balances are increasing and are not being analyzed, then you are definitely flying blind, and this is where the hidden cost is stacking up in your operation. If you want real profit, the kind that frees up cash, funds growth and puts you back in control, you need these 5 areas transformed in your business. First one is get clear on your true cost per unit. Second one, spot that bottleneck, especially in operation and work in progress. The third one is stop relying on average costing for product costing. The fourth one is build a financial model that actually reflects what's happening in your shop floor. And the fifth one is understand your cash flow gap in your business model, and I guarantee that there is more to it you haven't even realized yet. My name is Yeşim. I am a manufacturing finance specialist helping businesses like yours to get clear, take control and grow with confidence. Please hit subscribe, like or follow because I am here to give you the insight that nobody else tells you. Thanks for watching.